Like the other communities, the Sikh community also started reformation during the 19th century.
The Shiromani Gurudwara Prabandhak Samiti was
formed with a view to eradicate the evils that had entered the Sikh community. Schools and Khalsa colleges were established in Amritsar for the Western education of Sikhs. Parsi community. The educated English class of the Parsi community founded Rehnuma-e-Mazdayarban Sabha, or Religious Reform Association, in 1851, which was led by Dadabhai Nauroji. This association also initiated a periodical named as Rasht Goftar. Other leaders like K.R. Kama and Behramji Malbari also worked as Parsi social and religious reformers. K.R. Kama emphasized on education, whereas Behramji Malbari stressed to oppose child marriage and supported widow remarriage. As a result of Malbari's efforts, the government enacted a law in 1891 fixing the age of marriage. Jyotiba Phule. Jyotiba Phule did social reform activities in the state of Maharashtra. He worked for the women and the backward class. He established Kanya Shala, or girls' school, in Pune in 1857 and even opened a school for the backward community. He even propagated widow remarriage and stood against the Brahmins' control over society. In order to enlighten people, he established Satya Shodhak Samaj. Time to think. Which are the steps you would be taking if you watch any kind of evil practices prevailing in the society to which you belong? Answer. In order to remove evils such as blind faith, etc. from the society, we need to create awareness. For this, we need to arrange street plays, and understanding must be given by doctors and other professionals. Awareness must be created through posters. Their attention must be drawn towards the problems and loss they face due to blind faith. Apart from this, they must be acquainted with legal knowledge. Thakkar Bapa. Thakkar Bapa served as a secretary for years together in the foundation Akhil Hind Harijan Sangh, which was established by Gandhiji. He made valuable contribution to the upliftment of untouchables. His contribution in the times of natural calamities is noteworthy. Birth and the working of Thakkar Bapa. Amrutlal Thakkar, who was famous as Thakkar Bapa, was born in Bhavnagar in 1869. He had obtained a degree in engineering, but he left his government job on the instance of Gandhiji. He spent his life in the service of the lower class and the untouchables. He brought a big transition in the life of Bhils, the tribal community living in the forest of Panchmahal district, by establishing the Panchmahal Bhil Seva Mandal for the tribal community living in the forest of Panchmahal district. He and his co-workers freed Bhils from the alcoholism and other bad habits and superstitious beliefs. He opened schools for the upliftment of their children. He established a cottage industry and made them use the spinning wheel in order to generate livelihood for them. Like this, the entire Indian society was enlightened with the reformative thoughts. Indians became united and rampant against the unjust rule of British. A noteworthy progress was found in the uplift of untouchables and backward class, along with the efforts of Gandhiji.